और बेटा आज रिजल्ट निकलने वाले थे ना, कैसा हुआ बताओ बताओ।
सारा दिन मोबाइल में बैठा रहता है, पढ़ाई तो करनी ही नहीं है तुम्हें।
ये क्या पढ़ा हुई, ये करने भेजा था ट्यूशन।
Not using your full potential.
नंबर दोगे तब तो पढ़ाई होगी, ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने का तो क्या।
सबका अटेंशन, दोस्त हो या अंकल करते हैं मेंशन। Can do better, can do better, can do better, can do better, can do better सब बोलते हैं, फ्री में तो मुंह अपना सब खोलते हैं। दुनिया तो कहती है आगे बढ़ो, पर कैसे करें ये सब सोचते हैं। पढ़ता ही रहता था मैं आँख अपनी खोल के और याद करता था चीजों को 10 बार बोल के। नकली की किताबें जिसने ज्ञान सारा छोड़ के सिखाया मुझको आगे बढ़ना असलियत को मोड़ के। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं। पढ़ना नहीं, बस 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 पढ़ना नहीं, समझना भी है, सिर्फ समझना नहीं, बरतना भी है। पढ़ने का मतलब सिर्फ रटना नहीं, रटे बिना मार्क्स लाना भी है। विल डू बेटर अब करते हैं, सारी जिम्मेदारी हम लेते हैं। सिर्फ बेटर नहीं अब बनोगे बेस्ट, फुल गारंटी हम देते हैं। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं।
तब तो पढ़ाई होगी, ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमते रहते हो क्या।
Hello everyone. How is everybody doing? Haropi is back. Thank you. Hi Anshika. On the thumbnail, grammatical mistake. It's written cube root. Acha. Okay, we will check that. Okay. So hi Apurva. Yes, I'm good. I hope all of you are also doing amazing. So here we are with yet another session, and it's a one-shot revision where we will be finishing the entire chapter of cubes and cube roots in just 1 hour in this one session. So if you wait on till the end of the session, you will be knowing everything that you have to know in this chapter to score full marks in this chapter, right? So let us get started without any further delay. This is a little introduction about myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. I teach for grade 6, 7 and 8 on the platform. On YouTube, I take for grade 8. I've done my masters in mathematics, so you know the love I have towards this subject, and I want to imbibe the same kind of love in each and every one of you out there, right? So yes, recently we have hit 500,000. Thank you so much for that. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is haripriya.vedantu. So this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me here. You will get a sneak peek into my personal life, my daily life, my what's happening throughout the day, the BTS, the behind the scenes and everything. So yes, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And guys, this is where you're going to tell me how much you love me. So don't forget to like the video. There are 160 people, but only 80 likes. Why? हाँ प्यार नहीं करते? चलो. So make sure that you like the video. Share the video to everyone whom you think it would be helpful to, because YouTube पे तो सब free है ना? And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So whenever I come live, then you will be getting a notification. Yes, Haripriya Ma'am is live. Go join the class, right? So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here we go with the Super Kids Reward Batches, a level up motivation for everybody who tries really hard to be on top of the leaderboard and on the leaderboard. In the last class, we have our Charvi on the top of the leaderboard, and chapati chaat at the bottom of the leaderboard. And these are the homework superstars. So we have RG Center, Charvi Agarwal, Yash, Sushanta, then we have Suhani, Harkrit, Y. Joshi, Rakesh, Utkalika, and Sakshi. So here's a quick shout out for all of you. We have Mohammed Saeem, who has given an in-detail explanation. Thank you so much. We have Jashwant. Jashwant, get well soon and come back to the session. But today you will attend. You are back. Jashwant is back. That's amazing. And then we have Jyoti Sharma, which is nothing but, it's Adhya Sharma. Then we have Brinda Saini, who has answered it. And then we have Anshika Rai, who has answered it in detail. Thank you so much, guys. Then we have also Viranjan Ayulu. Viranjan Ayulu, we have. That is amazing. Do you have any other name? Okay, no. And also we have Manasvi, who always, I started the shout out with Manasvi actually, because Manasvi always gives a in detail and this pakka definition. Manasvi, if you are there in the chat box, quickly give me a heart. And we have Seema, then we have Maithili, and then we have Smiley sisters, cute little sisters on the DP. So yep, that's it. Thank you so much. There were hundreds of comments, guys, hundreds of comments, but I could only pick hand few. But I really appreciate the effort all that 100 people have put. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I always read all your comments. Okay, so don't forget to comment. Let's get started. What are we doing? We are going to do a one-shot revision, and I'm also going to give you a fun fact at the end of the session, which will again blow your mind, which you can also try it out with your friends actually. So yeah, share that fun fact with your friends. I'll tell you at the end. And there's going to be a live Menti. So this chapter of cubes and cube roots is actually a very chutku chapter, a very easy peasy chapter. So if you guys missed out on any session which has happened earlier, जहाँ पे मैंने एक session में एक topic किया है, so that you people can understand. So if you missed any of that, no worries at all. We will be doing a one-shot revision here today. So stay tuned till the end of the session and learn every topic, do the Menti, and then go. Okay? So don't worry, be happy, we are right here. चलो फटाफट पूरा हम लोग रिवाइज करते हैं, फिर we will jump into Menti. So what is a cube of a number? To get the cube of a number, you multiply the number 3 times with itself. For example, you have to get the cube of the number 4. So you multiply 4 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, then you will get the cube of the number 4. Now what is a perfect cube? The answer that you got here is called as a perfect cube. Symbol of cube, x to the power 3. So this indicates you're multiplying your x 3 times. So this is how you write. Any number when you're multiplying 3 times, you can write it as 10 to the power 3. Now adding consecutive odd numbers. What are consecutive odd numbers? 3, 5, 7. Oh, I forgot 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9. These are your consecutive odd numbers. So when I add the first odd number, which is 1, it is equal to 1 cube. Then when I add my next 2 odd numbers, that is 2 and 3. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. The first odd number is giving you 1 cube. The next 2 odd numbers is giving you 2 cube. The next 3 odd numbers is giving you 3 cube. The next 4 odd numbers is giving you 4 cube and so on. So how many odd numbers we have here? We have 6 consecutive odd numbers. So when you add 6 consecutive odd numbers, you will be getting your 6 cube. To get the first odd number, to get this, 6 cube कहाँ से start होता है? 29 या 31? You don't know, right? So for that, to get the first odd number, it is n into n minus 1 plus 1. and it is n into n plus 1 minus 1. That will give you the last one. 6 into 6 plus 1 minus 1. 6 into 6 minus 1 plus 1 will give you the first and the last odd number. But remember, only the odd numbers. Prime factors of cube. So now, whenever we take a perfect cube and we do the prime factorization, the factor appears 3 times. If only when the factor appears 3 times, you can say that it is a perfect cube. For example, let's take the number 216. So when you prime factorize 216, you will be getting it as 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So what do we have here? We have 2 which is repeated 3 times. We have 3 which is again repeated 3 times. So you can say that it is a perfect cube. In square we add consecutive number. Anshika, no. In cube and square we add odd numbers only. But in square we add 1, then 1 and 3, then 5, 3 and 1 and so on. Okay? Now, so here we can see that in prime factorization of 216, which is a cube of 6. 6 cube is 216. So you could write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 in triplets. Now let's check. This is a very important question. You will definitely get it in your long marks question. So hear up very carefully. Is 243 a perfect cube? If not, then find the smallest number that you can multiply it with to make it a perfect cube. Step number 1. First, do the prime factorization of the given number. So the given number here is 243. So when you do the prime factorization, it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. But we want triplets here. So what do we do? If we multiply with another 3, if you multiply with another 3 on your left hand side and right hand side, you will be getting triplets. यहाँ पे triplets नहीं है. There's 1 3 which is missing here. So when you multiply with that 1 3 on left hand side and right hand side, it becomes a perfect cube. So what do? We multiply with 3 on left hand side and right hand side. When we do that, 243 multiplied with 3 will give you 729. Then yahan se, so what would be the cube root of 729? It would become cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So you take 1 3 from here and you take 1 3 from here. So the cube root of 729 is equal to 9. This is how you make a number a perfect cube. So what is this cube root? So cube root of a number is the number to which it is the cube. For example, 4 cube is 64. 4 to the power 3 will give you 64. So cube root of 64 is equal to 4. मतलब हमें ये जानना है कि ये जो नंबर है क्यूब रूट के अंदर, ये जो नंबर है क्यूब रूट के अंदर, इसको हम कैसे ला सकते हैं? How do we get that number? When you multiply your 4 3 times. How did that number come up? When you multiplied your 4 3 times. So the cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Right? So here we have cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Now let's talk about finding the cube root of a number using prime factorization. So first let's talk about 1331. So we have to find the cube root of 1331. What is step number 1? You have to do your prime factorization. Prime factorization is something that we already did in our 6th grade. 6th grade se karte hue aaye hai. So here you can write your 133 as 11 into 11 into 11. So they are already forming a triplet here. This is a triplet. Yes. So what is the cube root? Exactly. So the cube root of 1331 is equal to 11. Take one number from this triplet. Now there is another estimation, other rule, other method where you can find the cube root, but not the exact one. It's an estimation, estimated one. Okay. So now, first, before you find the cube roots by estimation, you need to know about the units digit of numbers, especially the unit digit of the cube of numbers 1 to 10. So 1 cube is ending with 1. 2 cube always ends with 8. 3 cube with 7. 4 cube with 4. 5 cube with 5. 6 with 6. 7 with 3. 8 with 2. 9 with 9. 0 with 0. So the moral of the story here is, you take any number ending with 2, the cube of the number will end with an 8. If you take 12 cube, it is 1728. It's ending with an 8. You take any number ending with a 9, the cube of the number will definitely end with a 9 again. You take any number ending with 4, the cube of the number will again end with a 4. Right? So now why am I telling this? Because this rule is where we use to find the cube root of number by estimation. So cube root of 35,937. So what do? We group them. So starting from the right one, 7, 3 and 9 are in one group. 3 and 5 are in one group. This is group number 1. This is group number 2. Now in the first group, it is ending with a 7. The first group is ending with a 7. And this is your second group. Since in the two groups, let's take the first group. In the first group, the units digit is 7. Whose cube ends with a 7? 3 cube is 27. So any number ending with 3, the cube of the number will end with a 7. So when you are finding the cube root, मतलब ये किसी का cube था, तो किसका हो सकता है? Some number ending with 3. Because if any number ending with 3, the cube of the number might end with a 7. So इसीलिए the units digit will be 3. Now our problem is tens digit क्या होगा? Tens digit के लिए take the second group. The second group we have the numbers 35. Now you have to see 35 lies between which two consecutive numbers? 35 lies between which two consecutive perfect cube? It lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. 27 and 64. Between the numbers 27 and 64, you have your 35 lying. So take the smallest one. The smallest number is 3. Out of 3 and 4, you have to pick the smallest. The smallest number is 3. So the tens digit will also be 3. So the cube root of 35,937 is equal to 33. Did everybody get it? Yes? Amazing. Amazing. So guys, even if you did not understand in the previous class, we have done this exclusively only this. ठीक है? तो please फिर से रिवाइज कर लेना उसको. ठीक है? के बाद हम कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज करेंगे क्या? यस शरण्या, इसके बाद हम कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? Okay. Fun fact. Now you can try this fun fact with your friends also. But teenagers texting in Thailand, okay? Say that 3 times fast. Okay? Teenagers texting in Thailand, teenagers texting in Thailand, teenagers texting in Thailand, teenagers texting in Thailand. Oh, okay. Thailand will send the digit 555. Why? To indicate that there is something very funny. The reason? 5 is the pronunciation of ha. Ha, ha, ha. We do that. So 5 is a pronunciation for ha. So ha, ha, ha means 555 is nothing but something funny. So yeah, so next time you want to talk something funny, but you only want your best friend to know about it. And if you, so just type 555. Okay, that's it. So share this fun fact with your best friend and use this when you're texting. ठीक है? आज से हम लोग, ठीक है? All of us will do this. When I say 555, that means very funny. ठीक है? I'll try replying you Put a joke in the comment section. In today's video, homework कुछ नहीं है. एक काम करो, एक बढ़िया सा joke लिख दो, ठीक है? A very nice, innovative joke. Copy करके मत लिखना. It should be original. How Anshika Rai comes up with original jokes. वैसे कुछ भी लिख दो. तो मैं 555 comment करूँगी. I'll reply back with 555 comment to your amazing joke. ठीक है? Only amazing jokes को मिलेगा 555. Cool? चलो. So before we move on to homework, let's quickly do Menti. Actually Menti कर लेते हैं. Just give me 1 minute here. Okay, so before we do Menti, let's quickly talk about if you want to join me on the Vedantu platform. If you do, quickly give me a heart. So if you want to join us on the platform and if you are somebody facing any of these issues, you have doubts but then there's nobody to clarify, no conceptual clarity because doubts are not being solved, you need more questions and assignments, especially in mathematics, so that you get exposure to wide variety of problems, you're lagging behind your syllabus, you're looking for a revision plan and you prefer studying in Hindi over English, then you have come to a right place. That is Vedantu's Pro subscription. So my 8th grade batch is starting from 2nd of August. You can use my coupon code YHPRO to enroll. For 6th, 7th and 8th, the fresh batches are starting. The brand new batches are starting. So enroll, grab the opportunity right now. In premium batches, only 15 students will be there. So you can join the premium batches for better interaction with the class teachers and the master teachers. And there is a 1 month ka trial pack and there is 1 entire year ka course. So if you are taking 1 entire year with us, then we are going to make a promise to you. That is, your improvement is our responsibility. And if there is no improvement, then we will be paying your money back to you, no questions asked. Yeah, we will not ask you any questions. आपको आपके पैसे वापस मिल जाएंगे. Don't worry about it. 75% attendance is compulsory. 75% of the test that we give you, you have to do all of that. And remember, VIP is applicable only when you take for 1 entire year. In this 1 entire year, या 1 month का जो आप लेते हो, उसमें आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा? So you will be getting unlimited live classes with fun quizzes and high-level quizzes. You will be able to get an interactive replay with quizzes and leaderboard. तो ये interactive replay क्या है? देखो replay तो YouTube पे भी मिल जाता है. But ये interactive replay is, suppose you missed a Menti on YouTube. Imagine when you're watching the recording of this, you can do the Menti again, even if it's not live. कितना मजा आएगा. So the same concept is there on the Vedantu ka platform. Let me show you how does that work. Okay, so first when you enroll with us, you will be getting a very nice calendar like this, जहाँ पे दिखेगा कि उस दिन आपको क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स है, कौन से टीचर्स आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, and what is the topic. Okay, apart from that, you would be getting a list of things like this. You would be getting a schedule कि when is your next class starting, so that you would never miss any class, and you can get to watch the replay of the class. So last class में let's say when did this happen? This happened, okay, Monday को मैंने mensuration practical geometry for grade 8 लिया था. Grade 8 practical geometry. The total doubts that were asked during practical geometry were 283. And all the 283 doubts were clarified by the class teacher and master teacher. बहुत सारे teachers होंगे class में, एक master teacher, एक class teacher नहीं, एक master teacher, that would be me, and there will be 5 or 6 other doubt experts who would be handling all your doubts. So when you click on it, you can get to see the replay. यहाँ पे try alternate replay दिख रहा है. So when you click on try alternate replay, you will be getting, when you click on try alternate replay, you will be able to do all the quizzes all over again, even if you missed the live class. अगर आपने live class miss कर भी दिया, तो फिर भी आप replay में, ठीक है? In this replay only, you can do the quizzes again. And I would also be interacting with my cute, amazing little kids that is you students. I have interacted with a lot of them. Anshika, Arya, Parama, Rishita, that is RG Center and Anshika Rai, Gayatri, Aditi. I have spoken to them live in the class. So when we have little time here and there after we finish the syllabus, we do have a lot of fun. जो YouTube पे मुझे missing लगता है. YouTube पे ये हो नहीं पाता क्योंकि I can only read your chats and nothing else, है ना? But on the platform, we are enabled with this feature where I can see your video, I can talk to you guys and have a lot of fun. We literally chatted for like what 20 to 30 minutes after the class and it was so amazing. I was really happy trying to meet all of you. We did take a selfie and we had a lot of fun. See, we tried taking a selfie here. So yeah, we had a lot of fun and लड़के नहीं थे उस क्लास में, बहुत कम लड़के थे, तो लड़के भी आ जाना, then we are going to have a lot of fun. Yeah, so how do you avail all of this? देखो आपको replay मिल जाता है, notes मिल जाते हैं. I'll actually show you the notes also. The notes are so well developed, so well this thing. So when you click on any notes, okay, let's take up the same mensuration, practical geometry का notes ले लेते हैं. So whatever we did in that particular class, everything will be given to you. What is the roadmap? What are we going to do that class? What is the definition? GIF के साथ आता है पूरा definition, construction, quizzes. What are we going to do in that class? Everything in the form of a PDF. So you download it here, you will be getting in the form of a PDF. Then you can aram se sit and make your own notes, right? Notes is super duper important. Now that schools नहीं है, blackboard में कोई लिखने वाला है नहीं, तो इसीलिए notes बनाना तो बहुत ही easy हो जाएगा because you will be getting free unlimited downloadable notes. Now guys, how do you avail all of this? Go to any of my video. ये जो video अब आप देख रहे हो उसके description box में भी. This is the last class का video. So go to the description box of any of my video. There's a link to Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on that link. And you can choose whatever grade you want. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. अपने cousins को भी बोल सकते हो. So I will choose grade 8 and CBSE है. Foundation है, ICSE, Maharashtra Board, Olympiad, and a lot of competitive exams. Everything included in the curriculum if you take for 1 year. So यहाँ पे let me show you for CBSE. So there are 3 plans that you can choose from. एक तो Pro Lite है जहाँ पे you will be getting live interactive classes, test series and analysis. टेस्ट देके मार्क्स देके हम लोग खत्म नहीं करेंगे वहाँ पे कहानी. We will analyze कि which question did you make a mistake, how can you improve on it. Based on that हम लोग आपको assignments देंगे, free downloadables notes मिलेगा, मैंने already दिखा दिया है आपको. This is a PDF of free downloadable notes. You will be getting doubt solving during the class. So all the doubts will be solved during the class, whatever you have, how many ever you have, because there will be more than 5 teachers, including me, who will be sitting in the class. There is a classic subscription where there will be doubt solving on mobile app. तो सेशन के बाद भी आप डाउट्स को पिक्चर लेके you can upload it. So that is mobile doubt solving on the mobile app. And in the premium batches, you will be having only 15 students. And there would be a personal mentor who would be helping you out throughout the year. So when you click on the word personal mentor there will be a pop-up video which will help you analyze and understand कि एक personal mentor आपसे क्या-क्या काम करवा सकता है, what all work he will help you with. Okay, scheduling your day, timetable, one-on-one classes, everything. He'll take care of everything, he or she. So here, this is where if you remove my coupon code, it is for this much. But if you apply my coupon code YHPRO, you are going to get an instant discount on the 1 month trial also. So try it out for 1 month, whatever plan you wish to choose. Premium भी हो सकता है, classic हो सकता है, light हो सकता है, whatever you want. Try it for 1 month and I promise you will love it. You will have the time of your life. You'll meet all your amazing master teachers, everyone. With one subscription, you can meet every amazing master teacher of Vedantu. And there would be a timetable. Apart from English, Maths, Social Science and Science, there would be general knowledge because we want an overall development of the student and not only marks. है ना? So you will be getting a general knowledge also. All you have to do is go to the description box, There's a link here. Click on that. It'll take you to this very beautiful page. Check your grade. If it's grade 7, 6, you change accordingly and then start off. You can choose whatever plan you want, discuss with your parents and choose accordingly. Now, you can also compete with students throughout the world. ये था उस दिन का सेल्फी जो हमने लिया था. So every class, guys, if you come in, I'm going to keep changing this photo throughout the year. ठीक है? So I need new photos after a month or so. So if you are joining any of my batches, do let me know that you are a YouTube student so that I would know कि you have come from YouTube. ठीक है? तो इनमें से बहुत सारे लोग YouTube में से आए हैं. ऋषिता गुप्ता, अंशिका, गायत्री, everybody has come from YouTube itself, right? So all you have to do is use my coupon code and get into my classes. अब लॉन्ग टर्म के साथ साथ आपको माइक्रो कोर्सेज भी मिलेंगे. मतलब one chapter का कोर्स, if there's anything that you're weak in algebra, you can only choose that to do that chapter again after we do it in the long term batch also. अलग से आप फिर से कर सकते हो. The free premium downloadable notes, in the class doubt solving and micro courses. Micro courses will be helpful especially during the exam season where you want to revise every topic, or if not every topic, that particular chapter that's troubling you, you can take up micro courses. And if you are a pro student, pro subscription student, there are pro exclusive micro courses which are only there for pro subscription student. Apart from that, there are free unlimited micro courses. So all your problems are solved here, doubts is being solved, tests and assignments, weak understanding of concepts, notes, revision plans and language problems is also done. Right? So all your problems are solved here, one solution to all your problems. And remember, the more classes you do, the less amount you are paying. So all you have to do is, there's a link in the description box or in the pinned comments, and use the coupon code YHPRO and come meet me on the platform. So guys, don't forget to apply the coupon code. Agar nahi karoge, it is this much. But if you do it, the price drops down. You can pay this in EMIs also, or you can try it for 1 month and see how it goes, then buy the 1 year ka long term course. Hai na? So yes, my pro exclusive micro courses have also started. So all you have to do is click on the link in the description box and use this coupon code YHPRO. Let's move on to Menti, everyone. That was the best day of my life. My OP riddles. Oh yes, I remember RG Center. We did a lot of riddles also. Chalo guys, everybody join in to Menti. The code is 56161126. You're in Canada. That's amazing. Hi, Hemashri. You joined already? Let me also join. It's quiz time. Disco जैसे लग रहा है ये यहाँ पे. Are you all ready? चलो. Thank you, Jatin. The code is 56161126. Yes, the quiz is on cubes and cube roots. Let us get started with the first question on your screens right now. Cube of a number is double its square. Is it true? Cube of a number is double its square. Is it true or false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a time up. And the answer here is false. Galat. Cube of a number is not the double of its square. Square ko 2 into 2, you again multiply with 2, you would be getting the cube of the number. Here we go with the next question. Oh yeah, before that, leaderboard. Jashwant, who never wins, is back. Looks like you're only winning, Jashwant. So we have Rishit, Jashwant, Frosty, Simba, Then we have Divyansh, Karan, Shweta, Akash, Suryansh, and Mercy. Here we go. Ria, I'll definitely, I have read your comment, bacha. There are hundreds of comments, Ria. So it's not possible to take all the comments, है ना? तो जल्दी लिखने का try करो. Then I will take your comment. Okay, maybe the first 20 or 30 comments, try to put there. Then I can take them. ठीक है? And your second questions. 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2 are the same, are equal. 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2 are equal. 2, 1, and yes. Hi Sonu. Amazing. The statement is false. 2 cube is 8. 3 square is 9. They are not the same. Let's look at the leaderboard here. And we have Rishit Aditya of grade 8A. Okay. Rudra, remember me, sweetest boy? Yes, Rudra, I remember you. We have Jashwant, Suryansh, Mercy, Vishal, Tamashri, Akash, and Shruti Sharma. That's amazing. Here we go with the next question on your screens. A number's cube can be the number itself. Huh? A number's cube can be the number itself. Is it possible sometimes? Please talk in Telugu. నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇదే చెప్తాను, నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే నీకు నాకే అర్థమవుతుంది, ఇంకెవ్వరికి అర్థం కాదు. So the answer here is true. 1 cube is 1. So the number's cube is the number itself. So the statement here is true. It is true for 1. Let's see. And we have Jashwant, Suryansh, Vishal, Shruti, Akash, Pokemon, and Haripriya Ma'am fan. Thank you so much. Kamakhya, Abhigyan, Sonu, and Suhani. Today I will win. That's the spirit, Suhani. Suhani says I will win and she's at the bottom of the leaderboard. Jashwant says I will not win and he's on the top of the leaderboard. Ulta kar lete leaderboard ko, ek kaam karte hain. Aishwarya, all you have to do is go to www.menti.com and use the code 56161126. Cube of 7 can be written as. Come on guys, check if they are odd numbers or even numbers. Okay, Anjika. Love you too, Hansika. And yes, majority of you have got the answer. This option had even numbers, cannot happen. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there. 8 odd numbers? No. Here we have even numbers again. So we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 odd consecutive numbers. So the answer is option number B. And let us see. It looks like Jashwant is winning. Yeah, losing. Yeah, Akash is going to beat Jashwant. Oh my God. Khushbu on the top. Then we have Kamakhya, Abhigyan, Suhani, Akash, Twisha, Karthik, Jashwant, Nirupama, and Sridhar. Here we go with the next question on your screen. Zia on 1 HP, you have to go to www.menti.com and you have to use the code 56161126. And here we go. Ma'am, please do hook step of Pani Pani. Really? The units digit of cube of the number 4. What is the number? The units digit of cube of a number is 4. Then what can be the number? Thank you, Bhargavi. And yes, majority of you got it right. It is 4. because the numbers ending with a 4 and 4 cube always ends with a 4. Your next question. But yeah, let's look at the leaderboard here. Oh, okay. Everybody has got it right. We have Khushbu, Suhani. Suhani, you're going to win, looks like. Abhigyan, Kamakhya, Twisha, Jashwant, Sridhar, Adish, Delightful, Dosa. Oh my God. What was that last time? Chapati, chole, paneer, potato, delightful dosa. You only can come up. I want to know who you are. Then we have Harshit. And let's move forward with the next question on your screen. Hi, Rajshekhar. What is the cube of 13? Cube of 13. Palak, I'm doing good. How are you? Hi, Jovanya. लास्ट क्लास चपाती चाट, हाँ लास्ट क्लास में चपाती चाट था वो, अभी डिलाइटफुल डोसा बन गया है. पहले की क्लास में पनीर पोटैटो था. यार क्यों करते हो ऐसे? आई वांट टू ईट ऑल ऑफ देम नाउ. 15 seconds. प्लीज डू प्रैंक ऑन सुरभि मैम. करेंगे एक दिन करेंगे, आप आज नहीं, इतने रात को नहीं, जब आप 3 बजे का क्लास होगा ना तब करेंगे. There's a lizard at the back. अच्छा मुझे ही, you're pranking me only. Should I get scared now? Okay, so yes, majority of you have got it right. That means you people were learning cubes. That's amazing. Good students. So here we go with the leaderboard. Okay. And Khushbu, Suhani, Kamakhya, Delightful Dosa, Harshit, itne sare stars. Wow. Then we have Jaskaran, Gargi, Akash, Abhigyan and Vishesh. And let's move forward with the second question. Lizard in your chat only. When is your next live? The next live is on 14th at 9 p.m. Same time, same place. A number is written as 8 into 8 into 8 into 4 into 4 into 4. Is it a perfect cube? Yes or no? If it can be written as triplets, can you say that it's a perfect cube? Okay, so yes, if you write it in the form of triplets, yes, it can be a perfect cube. Okay? Let's see who is winning. Let's see all your classes but recorded. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Okay, so we have regular students, that is Khushbu. Then we have Suhani, Kamakhya, Delightful Dosa, Harshit, Jaskiran, Abhigyan, Akash, Vishesh and Vishal. Let's move forward with the next question and the last question, leaderboard changing question on your screen. Okay, Anshika. What is the cube root of 74088? Use estimation. What's your age? क्यों? उतना पैसे दोगे मुझे? But yeah, my age multiplied with 1 lakh you have to pay me then. Are you ready for that? Then I'll tell you my age. 20. Hi Shreya Rai, welcome to the class. Thank you, Rishabh. Lots of love from Hyderabad to you. 4, 3, 2, 1. And let us look at the... Okay, amazing. Amazing, guys. Keep up the good work. So the answer here is 42. Cube root of 74088 is 42. This is group number 1, 088. It's ending with an 8. So the units digit will end with a 2. Now next check group number 2, which is 74. It lies between 4 cube and 5 cube, 64 and 125. So it should go to the smallest one. So it is 4 cube. And this is how the leaderboard is gonna look. Ma'am's age is 47. Yes, you are totally right. Let's see. We have Khushbu leading the leaderboard. That is amazing, guys. Great job, everyone, on the top of the leaderboard. And so before we move, okay, this is the homework, but don't do homework. आज के लिए free. आप लोग जो बस free हो जाओ. But put a joke in the comment section and I will reply with a ha ha ha. You know the code, right? I will reply with a 555 if I love it. If you're wondering, ma'am, ये 555 है क्या? So go watch the fun fact of today's session. You will know, right? Are you married? Good question. I will think about it. So we are going to meet each other in my next class. Until then, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. And yes, I'm not married. Okay, thank you so much. You people were amazing. Have a great night ahead. We will meet on 14th Saturday, 9 p.m. again. Bye-bye.